everyone, Mrs. Minakshi here. I'm back with the video about forest soil. I hope you have gone through all the kinds of soil. If not, I will share all the links in description. Check all my videos and subscribe my channel. For all the latest updates, kindly press the bell icon. So today we will learn about the forest soil. Here we go. As we know about the classification of soils in India, we find 6 kinds of soil. So today we will learn about the forest soil. This is how it looks like. This is forest soil. This soil is also known as the mountainous soil. It is found in hilly areas and the rainforests. These soils are formed due to the weathering caused by snow, rain, or temperature variation. Now, where it is found, let us check the location in the map of India. So you can see all this Himalayan region and Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and some areas of Arunachal Pradesh are covered by these forest soils. अगर हम इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बात करें तो this is heterogeneous in nature due to the environment and the altitude. All the mountains are different in altitude. So as per the height and as per the environment, the soil's nature is changed. Somewhere it is found in gray in color and somewhere you will find in dark brown color. So in the lower slopes of the valley, soil is very fertile. Otherwise, it is loamy and silty, and they are acidic in nature, and they are having very low humus content. Now you will ask, which kind of crops are grown here? So tea, spices, wheat, maize, coffee, and tropical fruits are grown. Major crops, you can see, this is the terrace farming done here. So these are tea plantation, and this is the final product of tea. Spices की बात करें तो this is black pepper. This is the plant of black pepper. This is the final product. The same way here it is black cardamom, and these are some cloves. अगर हम सुपर ट्रिक की बात करें, अगर आपको एक फाइनली 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए, what are the characteristics of forest soil, where it is found? So आप 6 क्वेश्चंस अपने मन में पूछेंगे और आपको 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन इमीडिएटली झटपट से तैयार. कैसे? फर्स्ट आप पूछेंगे, what is the color and which kind of soil is this? So this is loamy and silty, and it is found varied from gray to brown color. It is found in hilly and mountainous regions. And किस टाइप की मिट्टी है? It is acidic in nature and humus content is very low. Now, which kind of crops are grown? Tea, spices, wheat, coffee, and some tropical fruits. And where it is found? So in Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Eastern Hills. So this way you can crack a 5 mark question about the forest soil. If we check the forest soil at a glance, so soil, it is also known as mountainous soil. Formation कैसे हुई इसकी? So it is formed due to the weathering by either snow or rain. Composition की बात करें तो yes, humus content is very less and it is acidic in nature. Crops, tea, spices, wheat, maize, coffee और tropical fruits. Areas कहाँ पाई जाती है? So all the hilly areas, Himalayan ranges, we can say Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Eastern Hills. क्या इसमें कोई speciality है? Yes, it is heterogeneous in nature as per the environment and the altitude of the mountains. So the characteristics varies as per their height. So this is all about forest soil. अब हम मैप में देखेंगे, इंडिया के मैप में different kind of soils. Till now we are done with all the 6 kinds in the maps. Let us check again. Let's revise the maps. This is alluvial soil. This is black soil areas. Third is red and yellow soil. Fourth is laterite soil. Fifth we did arid soil. This is the soil of Rajasthan and desert soil. So today we are done with forest soil. This is also known as mountainous soil. This is found in the hilly regions of India. So this way we can sum up all the map of major soil types in India. This is given in your NCERT books. So now this is very easy to draw and to locate which kind of soil is found in which state and which region. It's so simple. So thank you very much. I hope you are clear with the forest soil, and stay tuned for my next video. That will be the concluding part of soil erosion and the conservation of soil. Thank you very much.